Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today we've got something really exciting to talk about, turning text or 2D images into awesome 3D models using Meshy AI. It's super cool and surprisingly easy, so let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure you've subscribed to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started with turning text or 2D images into 3D models using Meshy AI. First things first, what is Meshy AI? It's a powerful tool that can transform text or 2D images into stunning 3D models with just a few clicks. Whether you're a designer or just looking to add a creative touch to your projects, Meshy AI is the way to go. Let's get started.
Our first step is to go to Google and search for Meshy AI. On the first website you see, click on it. You will see this interface. Click on Start for Free. Now, you will need to sign up with an email address or continue with your Google account. I will click on Continue with Google account. Choose your Gmail account. There are some questions you need to answer. Any option can be selected as you wish. Once you have answered, click on Close. There is a wide variety of 3D models to explore. Now click on Text to 3D. A total of 200 credits are available to us. For prompt, we will go to ChatGPT and request that I want to generate a 3D model of Fluffy Dog. Please you generate a prompt for 3D model and provide a positive prompt and a negative prompt. After a while, it generated a prompts for us. You can see the result. In this case, I copied the prompt and pasted it. I will copy the negative prompt and paste it. You can use fixed seed. For example, I write 123 and then click on Generate. This process will take some time. Wow, it generated a 3D model for us. The result can be seen here. Let's proceed with the second prompt. Here, we'll write a cute fennec fox and write yellow in the negative prompt. Let's see what it generates. This process will take some time. Wow, it has generated very cute fox for us. You can see the result. We can refine it by using 20 credits. It will refine after a while. Once it has refined it, you can see what a beautiful 3D model it has generated.
You can use these 3D models in any project and in any game.
Meshy AI has 4 functions: AI texturing, text to 3D, text to voxel, and image to 3D. You can try all, but our topic is text to 3D and image to 3D. So let's explore image to 3D. Clicking here, these options will appear. First, we have to write name of our image. So, I write a cute boy. Then I upload my image. I will select this one. Now I will click on Generate. This process will take some time. Wow! It has generated a 3D model of a cute boy. You can see the result. Now our 2D model is a 3D model. Click here to download it. Not only that, Meshy AI generates a color map, a metallic map, a roughness map, and a normal map for us. We can refine and customize it with any 3D editor. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial turning text or 2D images into 3D models with Meshy AI. It's a fantastic tool that opens up a world of creative possibilities. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us today. Stay creative, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy designing with Meshy AI.